Hello everyone, and I hope everybody is doing perfectly fine. So today I'll be discussing the basic of histology of liver and lab evaluation of liver diseases. So I won't be going to the detail of the test, but I'll give you just an overview of liver histology and the lab test which we require for identifying a particular liver disease. So as we know basic things about the normal adult liver, it weighs approximately 1.4 kg to 1.6 kg. It has a dual blood supply and considering the dual blood supply, 60 to 70% of the hepatic blood flow is through portal vein and the rest 30 to 40% of the blood supply is through our hepatic artery. So both these portal vein and hepatic artery, they enter through the inferior aspect of liver through a hilum or porta hepatis. So now these branches of these portal vein, hepatic artery and bile ducts, they travel in parallel within the portal tracts in liver. So the basic histology what I'll be describing about the liver is that it's a hexagonal lobular model, and liver is divided into 1 to 2 millimeter hexagonal lobules which is oriented around terminal tributaries of hepatic vein. So veins, I'll tell you, veins जो होंगे वो हमारे जब I'll show you the picture. So veins will be at the center of the lobule, the hepatic veins. So that's why they are also known as your central veins. And the portal tracts, they lie at the periphery. So each lobule is divided into 6 triangular acini. I'm just giving you the literature of it and then we'll move on to the picture. So hepatocyte, which is near the central vein. So that comes under your central zone, pericentral zone, that is zone 3. And the hepatocyte which are near the portal tract, so they are zone 1, though known as periportal hepatocytes. So hepatocyte oxygenation ho ya hepatocyte metabolic activities ho, these all are maximum in periphery, that is near your periportal zone 1. So this picture is taken from Robbins. So see, I told you this is a hexagonal model. Ye totally, this is an entire lobule, correct? ये पूरा lobule है. Now each lobule is divided into 6 acini. 1, 2, similarly 6. So this is our central vein. The hepatic vein is also known as your central vein. It's in the center. So जो भी hepatocyte इस area में है, that is your zone 3. Then you have in between zone 2 and the near the portal tract, it is zone 1. So ये जो portal tract में आते हैं हमारे triad कहते हैं हम इसको. 3 things come: portal vein, hepatic artery and bile duct. So these the branches, so आप देख रहे हो इन तीनों की branches होती हैं and they enter the hepatocytes. और ये सारे जो hepatocytes है, these are arranged in your simple lengthy cords, and in between the cords, so they have your vessels. This is portal vein, hepatic artery and bile duct. So this is one triangle is your one acini. So 6 acini is there, 6 acini are there in one lobule. So this is the same thing. Direction of blood flow will be from periphery to the central, that is zone 1 to zone 3. Similarly, the bile flow will be opposite. It is from central vein to the portal triad. So this is the simpler schematic representation here. So ये zone 3 है, then zone 2, then you have zone 1, then this is 1 acini, so you have 6 acini, and this is the hepatic cords जो उसमें आप बहुत छोटे छोटे देख रहे थे, single. So this is the liver sinusoid. So this empty space between the two hepatic cords. Or her hepatic cords, see here you have the portal triad, which has portal vein, hepatic artery and bile duct. So between the trabecular plates, I told you, I showed this image that there are vascular sinusoids. So blood traverses these sinusoids and they reach the hepatic vein that is the central vein. So these sinusoids are lined by fenestrated endothelial cells, and beneath the endothelial cells you have space of Deci. So into which there is जो space of Deci होगा, तो sinusoids तो हो, they are lined by, we know sinusoid जो blood vessels हैं, they are lined by fenestrated endothelial cells. और उन endothelial cells के नीचे we have space of Deci, और space of Deci में ही जो hepatocytes के microvilli हैं वो फैल जाते हैं उसके अंदर. And they also have Kupffer cells. So ये macrophage system का cell होता है. Liver macrophages, they are also known as your Kupffer cells. They are the mononuclear phagocytic system, and these are attached to the luminal surface of endothelial cells. And in space of DISC, which we discussed, there are fat containing hepatic stellate cells as well. So two abutting hepatocytes, जैसे अगर दो एक दूसरे के साथ जो hepatocytes हैं, so they have bile canaliculi in between. So what are those bile canaliculi? They are small channels 1 to 2 micrometer in diameter, and they are formed by grooves in the plasma membrane of facing hepatocytes, and they are separated from your vascular space by tight junction. Now these channels, they drain into canals of Herring. In turn, it connects to the bile ductule. Now these bile ductule will empty into interlobular bile ducts within the portal tract. So apart from the hepatocytes, the liver cell, they comprises of your large number of lymphocytes, that is gamma delta T cells, and as well as NK cells. So 22% of other cells in liver, it comprises of your these cells. So now we are done with the basic histology ki hexagon hai, 6 acini hai, center mein you have central vein, that is also hepatic vein, and periphery you have portal triad. So that portal triad consists of your bile duct, hepatic artery and portal vein. So dual blood supply hoti hai. So those are the basic things we should keep in mind. So in my subsequent lectures, what I'll be doing is I'll take individual entity disease from the liver, and at the end of my sessions I'll take a liver function test in detail. But now I'm just giving you the basic insight into which all are the tests we do for the liver disease and what is the significance of those tests. So see, जब भी हम लिवर पढ़ रहे हैं या फिर कोई लिवर की डिजीज होती है, वो बहुत सारे रीजंस की वजह से हो सकती है. फर्स्ट, इट इज योर हेपाटोसाइट इंटीग्रिटी, मतलब जो नॉर्मल हेपाटोसाइट्स पेशेंट के इंटैक्ट है या नहीं है, वो हम डिटेक्ट करते हैं बाय साइटोसोलिक हेपाटोसेलुलर एंजाइम, दैट इज सीरम aminotransferase. This is alanine, this is AST. So AST and ALT, and then serum lactate dehydrogenase. So these three enzymes, ठीक है, aspartate, aminotransferase, alanine, aminotransferase. So those are the enzymes that we have to remember जो hepatocyte की integrity को दर्शाते हैं. So one is your serum AST, serum ALT and serum LDH. Then we come to biliary excretory functions, क्योंकि bile भी excrete होना है. So substance which is normally secreted in bile, that also will tell you about many disease, like serum bilirubin, that consists of your total conjugated and unconjugated bilirubin. Then we can test for urine bilirubin as well. Then we can test for serum bile acids also. Then these were the substance normally secreted in bile. Now plasma membrane enzymes which are because of damage to the bile canaliculus. So वो हम देखते हैं serum alkaline phosphatase और serum gamma glutamyl transpeptidase, so GGT. So these all are the enzymes which we see. Till now we saw hepatocyte integrity के enzymes AST, ALT and LDH. Then we came to biliary excretory function. इसमें जो substance normally excrete हो रहे हो या substance जो plasma membrane enzyme के damage से आ रहे हो. So all those we have to consider. Then third is your hepatocyte synthetic function detect करने के लिए we have protein which is secreted into blood, that is serum albumin we can measure, or we can measure the coagulation factor because liver plays important role in production of these coagulation factors. So PT, prothrombin time, then activated plasma thromboplastin time, fibrinogen levels, prothrombin levels, factor 5, 7, 9, 10. So all these are proteins secreted in the blood. So this is synthesized by hepatocytes, this is synthesized in the liver. So we have to remember that if hepatocyte synthetic function is disrupted, so these are the substance we have to measure. Then hepatocyte metabolism के लिए we need to see serum ammonia, or we can go for aminopyrine breath test. So hepatic demethylation can be detected. So these are the basic hepatocyte integrity हो गई, biliary excretory function और hepatocyte synthetic function. So thank you so much for your patient hearing. Now in my subsequent lectures, I'll start with the specific disease entity of the liver, and along with in detail we'll be discussing liver function test. So thank you so much.